Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Java inheritance can be tricky, but we can solve this constructor problem quickly. Let's find out how to initialize that private variable correctly right now. First, notice that the variable thing is declared as private in the alpha class. This means the beta subclass cannot access it directly using simple assignment or even the dot notation. Since we cannot touch the private variable directly, we must use the parent class constructor. Calling super with an integer argument is the standard way to pass values up the chain. Using super7 invokes the specific alpha constructor that takes an integer. This correctly sets the value to 7, making option C our perfect choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and remember that private fields require using super for initialization.